In what were once the fitting and storerooms of Onllwyn No. 1 colliery in the di-waith Valley, a little flame of hope of jobs for redundant miners has been kindled, a flame of hope in a wilderness of industrial decay. Six men are turning out slimline storage heaters and getting high praise for their products. There's no shortage of orders. They're also turning out furniture and selling it in their spare time. But the miners who founded and financed this venture and hoped it might grow to absorb all the redundant men in all the mining valleys are learning that good ideas and hard work are not enough. They hadn't enough capital, and now they're struggling. Unpaid director and secretary of this little business is miners' agent Jim Evans.
Now, if you go through these workshops, you'll find an up-to-date factory. An up-to-date factory established by wage negotiators who have now become factory managers. Now, as soon as we start this factory, we come up against the question of high finance. We buy our material, we have to pay on the nail. We sell our product and we have to wait for payment. Now, credits in this type of work we've discovered are essential, very essential.
Well, is there any hope of getting more help from the miners' lodges?
Well, you must appreciate that there are 8 lodges left now where there used to be 24. And the 8 remaining lodges, they gave us, in the first instance, the £1,400. We went to them a few weeks ago, told them the position we were in concerning wages. They gave us a further £400. Now, on Thursday night, on their own initiative, next Thursday, they're calling a meeting together to see what further help they can give us by way of financial support.
Is there no merchant bank or other bank that can see you through this crisis?
Well, if there is one, to date we haven't been able to find it. One bank is rather sympathetic, and as soon as we get registered as a charity, I know that this bank will assist us. But others have all turned their backs upon us because we are strangers in this world of high finance.
Being registered as a charity, is this the great obstacle?
Being registered as a charity is the greatest obstacle that we are facing at the present time.
How are you going to overcome it?
Well, application is already before the charity commissioners, and we are waiting daily to hear the result of their finding.